Good day, everyone. I am Jonathan Sean, and for now, we will discuss about the Marple Annex 4. Let's start. So, what is Marple Annex 4? So, Marple Annex 4 is all about the prevention of pollution for sewage in a ships. So, what is in it and how it works? We will discuss that in a simple way. So from the word prevention is pag-iwas. So what they do to make it prevent. So Marble Annex 4 4 Marble Annex 4 implement a rules and regulation that has um, a rule to regulate and have a law to prevent the pollution. So ship must have a sewage treatment plant and holding tanks. For the small cargo must have holding tanks to store the sewage until they go to the nearest port for their discharge. The basic idea to explain this. Imagine a cargo vessel and a big ship. This ship generate a lot of sewage, just like a small town. Marple Annex 4 is like the rules how the ship manage and handle their toilet waste so it doesn't pollute the ocean. Marple Annex 4 is applied to those ships that had a 400 gross tonnage above and also to the ship that has less than 400 gross tonnage and above, but certified to carry a 15 person and above. This ensures that the larger vessel and those carrying significant number of people are regulated. Marple Annex 4 highlight the importance of preventing pollution from a sewage in a ship. The effectiveness depends on several factors. First, the treatment quality, port facilities, cost of compliance, and a long-term impact.